Most Americans are not broke because they are lazy. They are broke because nobody ever showed them the map. There is a specific ladder that every person who builds real wealth climbs. And the scary part is most people spend their entire lives on the bottom 2 rungs without ever knowing the top 3 exist. Today I am going to show you all 5 stages, where you are right now, why you feel stuck, and exactly what it takes to move up. This changes everything. Stage 1, earning. This is where everyone starts. You get a job. You get a paycheck. You feel like things are moving, and they are. But here is the problem. Most Americans stop here. They earn more. They spend more. They earn more again. They spend more again. And 20 years go by, and they are still living paycheck to paycheck on a bigger salary. Earning is not wealth. Earning is just the starting point. The ladder has 4 more rungs above this one. Stage 2, protecting. This is where the game changes for the first time. Protecting means you stop letting money bleed out of your life silently. Emergency fund. Controlled expenses, no high-interest debt eating your future alive. Think of your income like water flowing into a bucket. If the bucket has holes in the bottom, you can pour all the water you want, and it will never fill up. Protection seals the holes. Without this stage, every dollar you earn is already spoken for before you even see it. Stage 3, multiplying. This is where real wealth starts to breathe. Once your money is protected, you put it to work. Index funds, dividend stocks, real estate, small business income. You stop trading only your time for money and start letting your money trade for you. The magic word here is compound growth. Small amounts invested consistently do not grow in a straight line. They grow in a curve, slow at first, then faster, then almost violently fast. But it requires one thing most Americans never develop: patience. Stage 4, owning. This is where financial freedom stops being a dream and starts being a math problem you can actually solve. Ownership means income that does not require your presence. A business that runs without you. Rental income. Dividend checks hitting your account while you sleep. You stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like someone who owns pieces of the economy. This is the shift that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Not income, ownership. Stage 5, freedom. This is the top of the ladder. Freedom does not mean rich. It means your money works harder than you do. It means your expenses are covered by assets you own. It means your time belongs to you. Most people never reach this stage, not because they lacked the ability, but because they never knew the map existed. Now you have the map. The only question left is, which rung are you standing on, right? Now, and what is your next move? Start climbing.